Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. For today's project, we'll be using this canvas. It is 24 by 16. We'll be using some white acrylic paint that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'll also be using my Modern Masters silver metallic paint. I really love this paint. A little goes a long way. I'll also be using today is some Rust-Oleum Pink 2X, and this is the primer and paint in one. I'll use that today. I'll also be using today is some white pearl paint. Now this is also by Modern Masters, and this is the trial size, and it was about $4. Now everything I am using today I already had. I purchased nothing. I did pick up this glitter from Dollar Tree, and it's like a fuchsia or hot pink. I have here some fine glitter, and this is pearl as well, and I think I got this from Walmart, and it was like $2.97, as well as the silver fine glitter. These both came from Walmart. Again, I purchased only $1 glitter. Here I have my crushed glass. I got it from Amazon some months ago. So we're going to get started today. I'm going to take my foam brush and my white acrylic paint, and I'm just going to pour some on the canvas. Before I get started, I like to just paint my canvas. So I just want to paint the canvas with the white acrylic paint, and this will take away some of the texture on the canvas. Once I smooth out all the paint on my canvas, also making sure that I painted the sides as well, I'm going to set it aside to dry for about 45 minutes to an hour. So don't go away, guys. I'll be back. The paint on my canvas has dried, and as you can see, it has a very smooth texture. Now we are ready to apply our paints. I'm going to start off with my pink spray paint. I want to paint my first design on the canvas. So again, I'll have to go outside to do this. But what I want to do is take a design. I'm going to use this pen here, and I want to do it faintly because I want to make sure that it's able to be covered by my paint. But here I'm just drawing the design that I want to paint on. So this part of it I'm going to paint pink, and I'll be right back. I'm back, and the pink has been added to my canvas. Once again, I'm going to take my pencil and just make a mark where I want my next color to go. The next color that I'll be using will be my silver metallic paint. And here I'm just drawing a line so that I can see where to apply my silver metallic paint. I'm sorry, my camera wasn't on, so we lost a little footage here. But as you can see, I followed the swirl and that I had drawn to put my silver metallic paint on, and now I'm making the same swirl, or the swirl that I want to use to apply the rest of my silver paint. Make sure when you're applying your paint that you apply paint to the outside of the canvas as well. You do this so when your paint is hanging, it'll be uniform on all sides. When the silver is completely added to my canvas, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to set it aside to dry for about 30 minutes, and I will be back. Don't go away. Okay guys, you can see I'm back and my canvas has dried, but it's a little streaky, so we're going to take that gray metallic paint and we're just going to go over this area once again just to smooth out that paint so we can have that nice smooth texture. While my paint is still wet, I'm going to take my fine glitter in silver and I am going to put it on the canvas while the paint is wet. While the paint is wet, it would allow the glitter to adhere to it. I did give my silver paint 15 minutes to dry, and now I'm ready to add my pearl paint. So I'm going to add the pearl paint to the section that's left. I'm just going to pour a little bit on the canvas and then take my foam applicator and paint the canvas. Once again, I want to make sure that I'm painting along the sides so that it has that same color. Once I've applied my pearl paint to my canvas, I am going to do the same with my pearl glitter. I'm going to sprinkle my pearl glitter in the pearl paint while it's wet, and once again, I'll give it another 15 to 20 minutes to dry. I also have some spray adhesive. I'm going to spray my canvas, my entire canvas, with the spray adhesive, and then I'll go back over my silver glitter as well as add just a tiny bit of the pink glitter. I'm going to give this another 10 to 15 minutes just to dry, and we'll be ready to move on to the next step. Okay guys, I am back, and I thought my recorder was on, but it wasn't. But what I've done is just applied my Mod Podge, and I applied it along the silver and the pink line. And now I am just spreading out the paint with this small brush. I said paint, but I meant Mod Podge. I'm just spreading it out a little bit so that I could apply my crushed glass. Now I am pulling it down in some areas just to give it a little bit of flair. And then I'll add my crushed glass. Here I'm just using my hands to apply the crushed glass to the sides or to the edge of the canvas. Now we're ready to add the same Mod Podge and the same crushed glass along the other line. So we'll follow the same procedure. Add the Mod Podge, take my painter's brush, spread out the Mod Podge, and then apply the crushed glass. Now I'm going to take my fine fuchsia or pink glitter, and I just want to put a little bit on top of the crushed glass, just so you could just see a little pink sparkle. We're going to take our silver glitter one more time, and we're just going to go over that pink. And we're also going to go over the middle once again. We want to have that silver glitter in the middle on as heavy as possible. Once I've added all the glitter, we're going to let this dry overnight, and we will be back tomorrow to see the outcome. And here is my canvas wall art complete. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. I did add another element of design to the canvas off camera, but it was done the same way as the other. Just add the Mod Podge, add the crushed glass, and then sprinkle the glitter. I think the silver is absolutely beautiful in the middle. And then look at the silver sparkles that is on the pink. Now what I did was sprinkle a little bit of that metallic white silver in the pink. And that's the sparkle you see in the pink. The crushed glass is so brilliant, it looks like there is gold in it, but there is none. And looking at it from afar, you can see the fuchsia pink design. Now what I'm going to do is flip my canvas over, and horizontal is the way it should be hanging. And this is what it looks like. Absolutely fabulous. And works perfect in this location. I'm looking for all comments, so let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you guys have enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to turn on your notification so you will be aware of all my upcoming videos. I want to say thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.